Hi friends. Today, we will learn how to use the effects library in BannerBoo. This library contains pre-animated objects, which can be easily added to the workspace. To get to the library, you need to go to the menu of vector elements and click on the icon with highlights or stars. As you can see, various elements such as rain, snow, clouds, glare, lens effects and other objects are available in the library. Let's choose a cloud. As you can see, our clouds are already animated. All that's left is to transform them to the desired size. Now let's look at the fog. The library has a range of object variations for use in your banners. All effects are created in SVG format for compatibility with any advertising network. Our effects library is regularly updated. So if you can't find the effect you need, please let us know in the comments below this video or contact support, and we will add it to the next update. Now, let's see how our effects can enhance your photos. Now let's see how our effects look like in Ad Creatives. The creative format you can see now is scroll stoppers we added in a recent update. You can find them on the template page in the social media templates section. Here we go to the scroll stoppers where we will see our templates. Please let us know in the comments which theme of templates you'd like to see more of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos.